Yes.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Just chat in the chat box, or you can directly unmute yourself and let me know. Okay. Can you see the problem properly? That is written problem, right? Or can you able to see the screen?
Sir, screen is looking inverted.
Inverted. Still inverted. Okay, fine. Just a minute. Just a minute. How about now?
It's fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's fine now.
Yes, sir.
Is it still inverted?
No, sir, no.
Okay. So we will start. We will start the problem. And if you find anything, you can just write it in short chat box, or you can just let me know by unmuting yourself. So the problem is for the propped cantilever shown in the figure, find the support reaction and plot the bending moment diagram. So suppose this is the problem. Now in this case, there is a figure. First of all, I'll just draw a figure. Okay. So this is L, this is also L, and now this is W per unit length. So this is point A and this is point B. So this is the propped cantilever. Why we call it propped cantilever? Because this is the support at point B, and that's the reason this is called as a propped cantilever. Now, suppose this is a figure A. Let us consider this as figure A. Now, if we remove, now what is to be done first of all? So first of all, you have to remove this support from this position B, and you need to draw the bending moment diagram. So in that case, you just need to draw the bending moment diagram considering only this is the support which is fixed and this is the load, and there is not support now here. Now in this case, what would be bending moment diagram? So this bending moment diagram is to be drawn first of all. So we'll draw this one first. So since this is a UDL, we'll get the bending moment diagram in the parabolic shape like this, and this would be negative. This is WL square by 2. This is W, and we got it here, W as well. So this would be WL square by 2. So this is the, say this is the diagram number B and this is diagram number C now. So this is what we will get if we just draw bending moment diagram when there is no support. Now let us consider that there will be support and there will be no external loading or the UDL. So in that case, the next diagram would be, so if we just consider that yes, there would be this RB here, and you have not used here load, external load here. So this is total L plus L, 2L, L plus L. So this would be 2L. Now in this case, now you need to draw again bending moment diagram. So bending moment diagram is to be drawn considering that yes, there is only support reaction at RB. First of all, we have drawn, we have considered that this load, this external reaction is not there on the point B, and only UDL is there. And because of that, this is the bending moment diagram. And now in the next case, you have to remove, or you can just write down here, removing UDL. This is removing UDL, and this one removing RB. Now, after removing UDL, what would be bending moment diagram? Bending moment diagram would be in the triangular shape.
Okay.
Now, since you're already considering SFD BMD, so I won't go much in detail that how this bending moment diagram is there. So this is going to be the positive one, and this would be RB into 2L. So this would be RB into 2L. So this is bending moment diagram 1. This is bending moment diagram 2. So these are the two bending moment diagrams you got. And now what is to be done? You have to just simply add those two, BMD1 and BMD2. If you just add, now in that case, what will you get? So you will get this positive part here. So let us consider this positive part is this one. And you will get this negative part would be like this. So this is how you will get the bending moment diagram where this is going to be the negative one and this is going to be positive one. So you will get final bending moment diagram like this. Now bending moment diagram you got here. So this is the final bending moment diagram. The first one is by removing RB. Second one is by removing UDL. And if we just combine BMD1 and BMD2, so BMD1 and BMD2 is to be combined. In that case, you will get the final BMD like this. Just overlap this one. You need to overlap it. Negative part is there. Okay, so negative part you need to go on the upper side, and this is the positive part. So likewise, now what is there? For the prop cantilever shown in the figure, find the support reaction. So you need to draw, you need to calculate the support reaction now here. Now, since there is not given any kind of that either A or B is not sinking, so there is no sinking of the support. So because of this, deflection, addition of the deflection would be going to be 0. So delta 1 plus delta 2 would be 0. So now we will make it like this. So now here M by EI diagram is to be drawn. So M by EI diagram, because of this, you will get the bending deflection delta 1 and the delta 2 would be 0. So if we just make it as the deflection at point B is going to be 0 over there. So moment M by EI diagram is due to because of the BMD1 and M by EI diagram because of the BMD2. Okay, so that is to be added. So M by EI due to, let us say, BMD1 here plus M by EI, this is BMD2 is going to be 0. So therefore, what we can say now, moment you need to draw. So moment, this is moment. If you just need to draw WL square by 2, this is WL square by 2 multiplied by uh, L by 3, because since this is parabolic shape, so its CG would be, and the distance of this is 3 by 4L, and this is going to be again L. So this is 3 by 4L plus L into L by 3. So this is just we are going to the calculation of moment, and this is what we got, and then because of this BMD2, so you got here, say, suppose if you are just consider this one is positive, so this will have the alternate sign. So RB into 12. Now this is simple triangle. So RB into 2L, then multiplied by, this is half, this is base into height. So half into 12 you need to do, multiplied by, we just consider the CG over here. So CG would be, this distance would be 2/3 of 2L. The distance will be 2/3 of 2L. So this is going to be 2/3 of 12, and this is going to be 0. So only unknown. Now this is divided by EI. This is also divided by EI. Will get cancel out because there is a 0. So if we just make it, we just calculate this part now. This EI will get cancel out. Okay. Now in this case, you will get RB is equals to, if you solve it finally, you will get 7WL by 64. So just need to solve this part, and we will get this RB as 7WL divided by 64. Now suppose RB you got here 7WL by 64. Now what would be RA? So therefore RA would be equal to, total load would be W into L. Look at this, total load is W into L here. So therefore you will get RA equals to WL minus 7WL upon 64, and that is going to be 57 WL divided by 64. So this is RA, and this is how the reactions are to be calculated for RA as well as RB. So that is how the problem is to be solved. In the case of propped cantilever, we have solved it for the propped cantilever. Now let us take another problem. Find the support moment for a prop cantilever for propped cantilever subjected to moment M at the prop as shown in the figure. Draw bending moment diagram. That's the problem now. Now in this case, you will get a moment here. So the beam is something like this. This is A, B, and this is S. So in this case, what would be great? We will get, first of all, if we just consider the moment because of the moment M. So suppose MA with the friction moment. Now this is, let us consider MA with the friction moment at A. So because of this, now you will get the two moments. The first one, if you just consider the moment M, now because of the moment M only, friction moment we have just considered at this position, and we have removed the friction at this A. So you will get the moment like this. This is M because of the bending moment diagram. Remove friction at A. Similarly, the friction moment, if you just consider at A now, in this case, what you will get, this would be the positive one because of the sign convention. This is moment A, and A you will get, this is the bending moment diagram. Remove M moment here. So what we are doing, we have first of all just remove this fixed support here and take the moment at this position. So you will get the bending moment diagram like this. Now the next part, what you have to do, you have to just remove moment here and just take the fixed at this position. So because of this, bending moment diagram would be look like this. So now again the same thing, M by ear diagram. So by M by ear diagram, what we will be getting. So first of all, let us take the moment because of this part. This will be MD1, this will be MD2. So MA multiplied by L by 2 and multiplied by this is again 2/3 L. So this is again 2/3 L and minus this is M into L by 2, and now here this would be 1/3 L. So this is going to be 1/3 L and that is going to be 0. So from this you will get MA equals to, this is L by 2, L by 2, this L by 3 and this is L by 3. So you will get MA equals to M by 2. So this is you will get the support moment for the prop cantilever when it is subjected to moment M. So this is how the prop cantilever is to be analyzed. Okay. Now the next part would be the fixed end moment, or basically how we have to analyze the beam when it is a fixed end at both the ends. That is also called as the fixed beam. Fixed beam are also to be considered as the indeterminate beam, and to solve such indeterminate beam as a fixed beam, so what kind of procedure is to be followed is to be we will see it in the next lecture. Okay, so today we have covered 2 problems here. Now this recording would be available on the Moodle. Earlier recordings couldn't be available because there was a problem related to the recording in the WebEx, but I'll make sure this today's will be available on the Moodle itself. Okay, so just write down your name in the chat box and you can leave the meeting now. If you have any doubt, you can just type in the chat box or let me know. ज्यांचं नाव लिहून झालं असेल तर ते मीटिंग लिव्ह करू शकता. ज्यांचं नाव लिहून व्हायचं आहे त्यांनी चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये नाव लिहायचं. काही डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही ते चॅट बॉक्स वरती सुद्धा टाईप करू शकता, अदरवाइज मीटिंग लिव्ह करू शकता.